In production since 2020, it was updated for the 2024 design year last loss, taking advantage of a few designing tweaks and included gear and ending up being much more costly than its predecessor. The lineup makes up the LE, XLE, XSE, Limited, and Platinum, which include FWD. AWD is available as an option across the range, and it's the configuration of the Woodland version, too. The last starts at $48,125, slotting between the AWD XSE and Limited in regards to pricing. The most expensive variation is the Platinum AWD, with its $53,405 MSRP, and the most economical is the FWD LE, used from $37,185. All prices exclude the $1,395 location cost. An electrified 2.5-liter four-cylinder unit that tosses out 245 horsepower, 248 PS/183 kW, powers the whole range. No one understands what the future holds for the Sienna, yet we presume Toyota will certainly give it another shot with an entirely brand new generation. We could speculate on just how it would certainly look, what would certainly power it, likely partially amazed mills, and what platform it would certainly use, but we have yet to find out about it. The same opts for every making artist that attempts to visualize its designing, including Burlap, who lately required to social networks to provide a hypothetical 5th gen. The sliding back doors are still a point, and the window line was digitally customized to separate it from the present one. The profile shows brand new lines, including the improved rear quarter panels, and different side mirror caps. The pixel manipulator provided it a brand new back bumper and fresh tail lamps, which are hardly noticeable in the electronic picture. The last touches represent the white paint finish with a few black accents and the larger wheels that resemble they originated from the aftermarket world. Generally, the envisioned 2025 Toyota Sienna looks like an advancement of its predecessor, a detailed mid-cycle refresh, if you will. We definitely would not whine if the Japanese car manufacturer chose to comply with a comparable course. Besides, the car globe needs a lot more conventional models, and as much as we would certainly be despised individuals providers a few years back, several of them look much more enticing than their high-riding matchings.